This urgent communication is hereby proclaimed for your safeguard on Malbolge Island. It is imperative to note that this is not a simulation. Suspicious activity has been reported on the island, specifically involving the disappearance of the malbolge tickets from their designated locations. These tickets are believed to pose a potential threat. There have been reports of the tickets appearing in unexpected locations, with guests claiming to have seen human eyes within their empty sockets. Should you find yourself encountering one of the malbolge tickets, it is imperative that you proceed with utmost composure and deliberate caution, retreating to a considerable distance. I must emphasize, refrain from approaching them in any manner whatsoever. Do not get close to them. We urgently request that all guests pack their belongings and proceed calmly to the shore, where multiple boats from Hawaii will be arriving shortly to facilitate the evacuation of the island.